This is not your average sauce. It is a sauce made from the tops of the carrots, which uses the whole carrot. And that's the big dilemma when cooking carrots. There's so much waste. Not in this recipe. Let's get started. If you buy the carrots with this, it looks really cool. But more often than not, you chuck it. Not today. The first step to professional carrots is leave an inch of stem on. All right, so if it's a smaller carrot, you're gonna come just in half. All right, and you're gonna put it out here. If it's a fatter carrot, like this guy, you're gonna go in half, and you're gonna go in half again. So now we're gonna hit it with some olive oil, salt, and we have some thyme. And if you didn't have thyme, you could use rosemary. And if you didn't have rosemary, you could use sage. Carrots are ready to go in the oven. They are looking professional. And now we'll hit them with 400-degree heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so what do you do with the carrot tops? You make a carrot crema. How do you make a carrot crema? Like this. So, carrot tops. It's always nice to make a sauce with ingredients that are in the food, right? I mean, that is sort of like the origin of all sauces. All right, let's start with that many and see what happens. We add in our mayo, half a cup. We've got some sour cream here, some rice wine vinegar, squeeze lemon. You want to hit it with some olive oil. Just makes it a little more viscous. So here, whoa, zing of acidity. Really nice. I think we can go with more carrot tops. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. All right, let's just add some mustard seeds in here. Boom. It always happens. But you know what the truth is, ladies and gentlemen? The truth is that cooking is messy. There's our sauce. These carrots look pretty professional, if I do say so myself. So I think we just kind of drizzle it around. That's it. These are professional carrots, and they've got an awesome sauce, which uses the carrot tops, which you never knew what to do with before. Great at room temperature, great hot out of the oven, a wonderful side dish, a wonderful meal if you just feel like improving your eyesight, so they say.